India's bilateral relationship with the United States is stronger than ever, and we both agreed that the future would be even brighter. I'm speaking to you at a time when the global economy continues to be weak. Several parts of the world are still facing very difficult conditions. This is a time when the world needs new engines of growth. From the point of view of the world's oldest democracy, obviously, it would be nice if the new engines are democratic engines. I'm happy to tell you that today India is poised to contribute as a new engine of global growth. A larger Indian economy has multiple benefits for the world. Obviously, India presents a large and growing market, but India is much more than a market. India is a reliable partner, a source of high quality scientific, engineering, and managerial talent, a crucible of development ideas and experiments, an efficient source of high quality R&D, and a testimony that democracy and rapid growth can coexist. As India embarks on a new era of development, it needs to learn much from America's tradition of entrepreneurship and innovation. America remains at the forefront of scientific and technological innovation, from air traffic control to air quality improvement, from drugs to drones, from hybrid cars to hydrofracking. Indeed, to me, America is not just a country with a great past, it is a country with an exciting future. I am therefore sure that ours will be a partnership which sees both nations benefit. A very unique feature of the Indo-American relationship is the critical role of the Indian-American community in the U.S. economy. It is rare that immigrants from one nation who becomes immigrants in other enjoy such high respect and repute in both countries. Indian Americans are a powerful cementing force in our growing economic cultural ties. I have just completed 2 years in the office. When I addressed you in 2014, I had just taken over the reins of government. We face a particular challenging domestic and external environment. Confidence of investors was at a low. Doubts were being expressed about the future of the Indian economy. The business community was unhappy with the inertia and stagnation that had set in. There was frustration with archaic policies and red tape. In 2 years, we have managed to overcome the odds and register an impressive economic performance. Ladies and gentlemen, we have begun our journey towards a transformed India. A transformed India with 1/6 of humanity will mean a transformed world. The journey will be long, but the progress we have achieved so far convince me that we will reach our destination. I invite you to join us on this journey. It is a journey which offers the exciting possibility of not only building a better balance sheet of your company, but of building a better India, building a better America, and building a better world. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.